Yeah, bomb, cash, yeah, but no. You be choosing.
You don't need crowd. You don't need crowd to pursue kidnappers. 3 man go do one. We don't need crowd. We don't need crowd to do one. 3 man.
This animal in the field.
With technology and human being, we go do one. See and here. Not be joke. Not be cha. Not be cha.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 28th of December 2025, we the team of Magnetic Jigs TV is bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, you can see that an IDL bomb was detonated in Osu, Osu that has boundary with Isseke. So the Ebubagu guys there, they saw the bomb that were planted under the ground, so they have to detonate the bomb so that it will not cause casualties around that Isseke ASICs. You can see our brother Harrison is out and he's not backing out at all, so he's still in the field catching the kidnappers. Yes, but here in this news, we want to talk about the USA strike against the Islamic set of all these Isseks that is operating in Africa and in Nigeria particularly. So now Asari is laughing the USA government, saying that they did not kill even any one bandit. They did not even buy any one bandit. Rather, they did something in an open field where innocent people are.
Arise. Innocent people's villages. They created craters, small leveling place, no life loss, nothing happened. There was nobody was harmed. There was no bandits in the vicinity where this bomb landed. Innocent civilians. It's so disgraceful and so shameful. So disgraceful and shameful. And what's happening in Lagos? Whether some of the drones, they said it comatose missile, which is a lie. What went to Sokoto, which the ordinary people in Sokoto had come to say openly were drones. And they did not harm any bandit. They were thrown in open fields where innocent people are. Open field endangering the life of innocent people. So I will not dwell on that because that is not what I came for, but I think it's shameful, and we believe these lies by these people. We believe these lies by these people. I'm a Muslim. I'll continue to be a Muslim, and I'll continue to talk about Islam. I'm proud to be a Muslim. But what I'm talking about is about my people now. If you have any other proof of where the bomb landed and killed one bandit, one terrorist, just one terrorist, come here, I challenge you. Come here and show us the proof that one terrorist or one bandit was killed by a so-called bomb from United States of America. So I'm not going to waste my time with you because of your so-called precision strike. You want me to show you the precision strike you are talking about on an ordinary field? No. See a precision strike.
Glory be to God, there was no loss of life, no loss of property.
Your precision strike.
Around 45. There is no any loss of life.
See a precision strike on another review. Look at it. Precision strike.
So you can see there is no any loss of life. It will just fire. Look.
Precision strike. Oh, Preci. Look at your precision strike. Hollywood. You can see your precision strike.
Around 10:45. There is no any loss of life, no any loss of property. You can see by your naked eyes, so you can see there is no any loss of life.
This is authentic news from the supporters of Donald Trump. Arise News. So I challenge you now. So that is not an issue for us. We just thank God that they carry out trade-saving measure and all the stuffs, and you people are so carried away. No problem. We are watching. We are all watching.
But there is a particular news that came up, though it is allegedly. But if you look into that news seems to be somehow truth. You know what that news is all about? That some politicians that are sponsoring these bandit people, that they gave them information that such attack is coming, and they vacate the area on time. As Abuja is not talking like that. General Asabuja is happy with the United States of America and what they did, and General Asabuja said that more are coming. Indeed, that this is just a preamble, that more are coming if they did not resist from attacking people.
I greet everybody Merry Christmas. General Sabuja, the great honor, the Amusu of the cherubim, and the great honor, the Ikwikwi of the seraph, the dirty water, the good and the bad and the ugly. All I see the strike where US don't knock now, but I tell them I say it will happen. I tell them now, when the house over 200 and something people indoors approve, so why it not going happen? I tell them here, say it will happen. And I trust the president of America, Trum, because I noticed Trum is a member of our Amusu also, just like me in America. Trum is a member of Amusu, and he's also a member of Ikwikwi. You understand? I like him. If I say I don't like that way they do for Sokoto, I lie. We could need to deceive ourselves. That one now warning, more will still happen from January. And I go hear more will still happen. In the realm of the spirit, more will still happen. Watch out. The man whether they call Bumi, whether Wumi or Bumi, whether you want answer Yoruba name, Bumi or Wumi, where they negotiate for bandit. On and on. Say no good, they condemn them. Make them negotiate with bandit. How somebody go just where is he where they wise? Go just there, say, make them negotiate with bandit. Nobody wanna tell us one Nigeria. And they tell people from east, people from southeast, on a they see the shot, the cheating, conspiracy, the cannibalism, on a they see them. Say these people they do it, say southeast will not get sick with the manage in Nigeria. They just leave us. On a they see them. The youth of southeast make on a wake up. The Ikwikwi, I no go stop to talk am. Make on a wake up, prepare. Carry umbrella, carry screwdriver, carry plier and tools. Keep for corner, keep for anywhere. In case any day they go blow whistle. We start them. You no need to go store, go buy them. You no need to go Balande market or Yaba market. Keep on for corner. Say these people, who they empower this bandit? On a need they see the solid weapon where they hold, the solid arm where they carry. Who they buy for them? Each one GP, each one brandy, we know how much it be. The worst part, small boys where no value somebody life, do nothing. To kill, they shoot them. On another they see them. South is waiting do on this thing. Small contract on a don't change. On a don't betray on a brother. On a don't set on a brother up. You don't turn to catch them. Waiting do on a particularly we away from this. Why we don't go love ourselves? Why we hate ourselves? On a don't hear them. Don't touch our children. Don't touch our son. Don't touch our people. With authority, with command. The federal government, they see and keep quiet. President and vice president, they see and keep quiet. If now somebody from Southeast, on a know how it will be. They are our children. They are our loved ones. Don't touch them. Negotiate with them. With a kidnapper. With terrorism. With an armed robber. With assassin, hire killer. Negotiate with them. This one I want Nigeria shit. This one I want Nigeria back. People of Niger Delta wake up. No be because they give you small contract, you keep quiet. You go there, they kill their brother. What will it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul? Wait till you go gain, you get everything. You get everything. They catch you like small picking. Upon money where you get billion, trillion, million. You go there, they kill their brother. One day you go die, leave this property, go. Your children are going to use them. Your children are going to sell them. Your children go use them play gambling. People go drag them with your children. Vanity upon vanity. Make we stand for truth. So if you don't do tomorrow, they will remember you.
So this Yoruba guy is very funny. He congratulated the United States of America in what they did, but there's a funny thing he said here. Just listen to him and what he said.
Donald Trumpet, Alpha, IDB. I see your handwork, you. You know, say you fuck up here. You carry bomb enter Nigeria. You carry bomb go. She na Sokoto, the way you carry bomb go. You don't know where I saw what day. Eh? You don't know where I saw what day. If now just one boom, make your drop off for Asari. That one said they make me the verse for you. They make me the verse for you. Now that's all go. Now you go just go drop and boom. Make just boom. If you just boom, you go see I say bandit go stop. Bandit then go stop. Because now people where they sponsor them, they sponsor bandit, then they also work. Yes. And now those people, now then they hold us down. Imagine now if any bandit now try to attack person like me, now you try to attack me, and I can't fight the bandit back. I fight them back because I defend myself. Government go see me. So it means say now that be the main problem. Now be say now that be the, you know, say if you want cut tree, if you don't come on the root, the tree go see grow up again. So now be say we need to go the main root, and the root now be also rock. I beg now they beg with this time around. I beg go also rock. I beg. And anytime we come Tinubu convoy the pass, I beg I go let you know. I go call you for phone, Donald Trump. Yeah. If that convoy the pass, I beg I go let you know. Just make sure say your military men they dey at alert. Once I call you, make a just drop one. And I just want do. You dey hear me? And all of them they beg money. You dey hear me? When people say you go see Sheyi Tinubu, you go dey near am, dey beg money. No go near am because bomb dey come, bomb dey come bomb am. If you go near am and say you wan go beg money near the convoy, you go die with am. I dey tell you, no go near the convoy. You dey hear me? Donald Trump, na wetin you go fit do for me, me I go like you be that. Dey hear me? Bomb Sheyi Tinubu, bomb Asogok, bomb everybody. No go bomb me, I no go bomb innocent people. No bomb my fans, no bomb my people wey dey comment for my video. No bomb them, me I love them well.
So guys, indeed, Nnamdi Kanu is a prophet. We have been telling you guys, he is indeed a prophet, someone that predicts things, and those things are happening already. Just listen to this young man here.
Whether you like it or not, listen. If the messages of Nnamdi Kanu was natural from man, Kanu would have been no more today. But the messages Kanu brought, all the prophecies, was divine from God. That is why you see, Kanu will take everything where accomplish whatsoever is happening now, because his messages, his prophecy are divine from heaven. How can you watch a single man, una watch man, Nnamdi Kanu, where we say, Kanu knows everything, the in and out of this country. How did he know? Now Shama be waiting. Everything, I believe it was divine. It was direct messages from our Father in heaven. It was direct message. That is why nobody should play with all the prophecies of Kanu. Kanu is the only living prophet where I know on earth as of today. You see every other people that call themselves prophets and prophetess that cannot design what's going to happen tomorrow, that cannot tell us this side date, this guy date, so they are all fake prophets. Our prophet is in prison. They're sentenced to life in prison. May find a good. That is his destiny. You may not understand. If you there here now, you figure the right comment section, talk anything, but I'm telling you, now his destiny be that. Don't be surprised. He don't fulfill the purpose why God sent them come. He don't fulfill the purpose why he came. He don't fulfill all the messages why he came. This same thing don't happen to so many great people. They put them in prison, but from prison they became kings, where everybody they worship.
Okay, Shuku, our brother Joe has something to say concerning this United States of America airstrike against the bandits in Nigeria. Just listen to him in what he said concerning this thing.
Me too. Joe, you gotta say something about this. And I'm like, I've been posting a lot about this on my X account. I just haven't made a video because there's just way too much to unpack. But maybe I can try my best to scratch the surface so you can understand the magnitude of what we just got ourselves into in Nigeria. So first of all, let us look at the significance of both the operation and the location of the first set of strikes. This operation is so significant because since the Nigerian Biafra war, no foreign entity has ever dropped a bomb on Nigerian soil or shown any sign of aggression to the point of exchanging gunfire, let alone dropping bombs. But today, that has happened on December the 25th, 2025. And now the significance of the location of the first strikes, and I'm going to tell you something about first strikes in military operations like this. The significance is the Sokoto Caliphate. The Sokoto Caliphate, a very powerful 19th century Islamic empire that is still extremely influential. In fact, about the most influential caliphate in all of sub-Saharan Africa. Its influence is stretched beyond the shores of Nigeria. In all the news we have heard over the last 10-15 years about Islamic terrorism against Christians or against anybody in Nigeria, I don't think I've ever heard Sokoto mentioned. If at all, probably in the passing. It's always been Borno, Yobe, Taraba, Plateau, Kaduna, Zamfara, Benue, not Sokoto. And if you know anything about military operations of this nature, whenever they carry out their first strikes, it's usually aimed at the head of the big serpent. It's usually aimed at the logistical center, at the main operational hub, from where all the operations of the terrorists are hatched, cooked, manufactured, and disseminated, controlled from. It's a hub. Everything is controlled out of the head. And that's what makes this very troubling. That after all the intelligence that they gathered, they concluded that the head of the serpent is in Sokoto, where you have the most important and influential caliphate in sub-Saharan Africa. If that didn't shock you, it shook me to my core. Very significant. What were the ISIS guys doing in Sokoto to the point they had a hub, a coordinating logistical hub in that place, which is what the US reportedly bombed, even though we're still waiting for all the other details of that operation? That says a lot. While we were focused on Borno and others, coordination, according to the US guys, was happening in that region. Secondly, something else that stood out for me. Remember that when Donald Trump went ahead and made that post in his usual style, the Nigerian Foreign Ministry immediately followed it up with another post of their own. And what were they saying in the post? They were basically saying that, hey, this was done in coordination with the Nigerian authorities and that even the president gave his consent. Granted. But then the same foreign minister goes on Channels Television and then he began to, let me use the word, wail that he had spoken with the U.S. Secretary of State, Marco Rubio, twice before the operation was carried out. And that there was an agreement that the report or the press release after the attacks should indicate that this was done in cooperation with Nigeria and that it is done to end terrorism against Nigerian citizens, which meant that it wasn't supposed to have any religious coloration or undertone. And by religious coloration or undertone, they mean you shouldn't say you are killing terrorists who are killing Christians, because they do not believe still that there is a Christian genocide in Nigeria, even though Donald Trump has made it abundantly clear. We have the intelligence, we have the evidence, we have the proofs. You are carrying out a Christian genocide in your country. They still don't want America because they are too small to advise America on something that America has intelligence on. Donald Trump went ahead and blasted the news and made it clear. I already warned you that by killing Christians, America will intervene. That we're not going to stand by idly and let you kill Christians. And because I said it to you, I am now doing what I said I will do. I told you. He put it in his report. He said, I warned you that I would do this, and I have done it. And if the killing continues, there will be more. He made it clear, abundantly clear, that this bombing is because you're killing Christians. Nigeria doesn't like that. This is the same thing that happened when everybody went to see Pete Hegseth in DC. Immediately after the meeting, the Nigerian side released a report saying that Nigeria has agreed to, or US has agreed to coordinate or cooperate with Nigeria in fighting against terrorism. And the regime Iraq began to run around the whole place. Yeah, you thought America would do something. Yeah, now they have bowed. They are coordinating with us. Then expecting Pete Hegseth to say the same thing, Hegseth came and released its own report and said, we have just agreed to work together with Nigeria to destroy the terrorists who are killing innocent Christians in Nigeria. That one shook them. They're like, but this is not... The guys didn't care. You cannot get America to propagandize with you over the dead bodies of innocent Christians who have been massacred for the past 15 years. It's absolutely impossible. And so this is what has happened. But now let me tell you the third thing. One of the videos I made, you can go check on all my platforms. I talked about the Israeli dimension to this. People were probably not paying attention. How is it that on the same day that Benjamin Netanyahu for the first time spoke up against Christian massacres and genocide in Nigeria and said that that has got to stop and it has to stop now? That was on the 25th day of December 2025. The same day he spoke, the night of that day, the U.S. Army carried out their first set of airstrikes against ISIS targets in Sokoto State. What is going on? I warned you that these people are wary of the Islamic terrorists taking over in Nigeria and gaining access to Nigeria's oil wealth, knowing that if they do, Israel will bear the brunt of it. And so, what's next for Israel? I'll explain it to you now.
Likewise, our brother here, he is calling on the Igbo people saying, why can't you guys forgive Nnamdi Kanu? What is it that Nnamdi Kanu did that you guys are sabotaging for his freedom? That it is time to forgive and to let go, so that everything will come back to normal in Igbo land, in Biafra land. Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, fans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Dix TV, for we remain the best. Yes, so Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to each and every one of us. We all love you. Bye.
As far as the more Igbo is concerned, so Igbo ndị anyị nwere na Igbo Nnamdi Kanu nwere onye ọzọ. You like ya nye onye ọzọ. You like ya kpọọ ya onye chọrọ kpọọ, mana onwere onye boss Igbo ndụ. N'Igbo niile na-abụghị Nnamdi Kanu, onwere onye ọzọ. Ndị ọzọ niile eje ọsụrụ na-azị ya maka na ha na-aza afa. Mana ofu ihe nchọrọ ikwu bụ na ndị gọvanọs anyị na-ekwu okwu since na a na-ekwu okwu a eji nwa ya ekwu ya. O rukwere na mgbe ya ekwupụtawe ka a marụkwa n'ihe a na-ekwu. Onwe ihe bụ na onwe ihe a na-agwa nwaanyị si ya gwara di ya. Ọ ka mma na ha kwupụtawere ya ka ha mara ihe a na-ekwu, because ọ ihe a ka ekwugidere since o wee baa n'ime. Ihe a ka ekwugidere since o wee baa n'ime. And ọkwa ofu okwu a ka a na-ekwu ọ nọrọkwa di ya. Ọ mmadụ nwe ọgọdọ egwu na-ata. A sị na eze asọkata eze anya ekpuru nkata gwa eze okwu. Nwaanyị ụda nna since etụchara nwanne anyị nwoke ebe ọ nọ na imezikwu vidio adịghị ekwe m, because onwe ihe nna aghọtacha. Ọ na-nọdụ na-agbakọ ọnọdụ ndụbe anyị n'obodo a. Ọnọdụ ndụbe anyị na-agbakọ ya na-ewepụ, mgbakọcha onwe ya na-agbakọta ya. Wee na-asị ndụbe anyị, ndụ nke na-anọchite anyị na Abuja, ma ndị gọvanọ na-ekwu okwu na ha na-eje okwu a since o tekwe na na-ekwu ihe ahụ mana okwu a ka a na-eje atọ nwanne anyị nwoke nga ya mara ọrụ mana ọ ka mma na-ekwupụtawere ya okwu ka anyị mara ihe a na-ekwu ka a marụkwere ndị na-eje okwu amara ihe a na-ekwu because a ga-agbazi nkịta otu a anaghị agba nkịta ona ofu ihe m chọrọ ịgwa gị obodo na gụbụ onye bụ onye Igbo na-ewe iwe na Nnamdi Kanu ji wee kwuo nke a mee nke a mee nke a o chee one ahụ isi eche ọ ka ga-anara ego and nwanne gị ahụ ị na-efe iri na-egburu n'ije ahụ ma ọ bụ ndị firiri na ha ji eweru ihe nwanne anyị nwoke na-azọta ọnụ anyị as a war zone were ya mere ihe akaje were ya nye nwanne anyị nwoke aja afa wee gbuo ụfọdụ ụmụnne anyị. Ọ bụrụ na nwanne anyị nwoke a nwa eji n'ime tọọnụ taghara azụ wee kweta ihe ndị ọchịchị obodo a na-ekwu wee nara ihe niile ekwegoro ya na nkwa, nwanne nwoke ahụ nwanne nwaanyị ahụ egburu agajeghị ibilite and o nwere ife ị ga-eme. Ihe a bụ ihe ya agwa onwe, ihe a bụ nothing but the reality. O nwere ife ị ga-eme. O nwere ife ị ga-eme because onye egbu onye ya and ya nwa not ebe ya anọ wee wute mbụ na aka ka ihe niile a mere ewee kwechi ahịa nkwado niile ahụ ekwere ya ya wee nara datin ọ narị ya nye abụda na obi trere ndị Igbo ka mgbaghị nke bụ eziokwu. Gụnwa na-ekwu okwu a ma ọ bụ na-ewe iwe, ọ bụrụ na enye gị 1/3 ihe enyegoro ya, even AK 100 enye gị 1 ije ga anarị ya, forget ya. Ije ga anarị ya, forget ya akụkọ a. Mana onye a kwechiere even to the last itinye ndị ya na ya, ọ bụ na ihe ha agbagharizi ya, ọ bụ na ihe ha agbaghari ya. Ihe na-ekwu asị onye ọnụ erughị n'okwu, because o nwere ike ọnụ erughị n'okwu mana ihe ahụ ị na-eche mere iji wee na-akpọ nwanne nwoke ọnụ. Ọ bụrụ na o nwere intention imegide ndụba anyị ma ọ bụ imebe ụmụnne, o je ga anara ihe chaa sorozie na ndị na-ekwu ihe na-eme na be anyị dịka ndị ọzọ si wee na-eme. Mana ịnọrị na-agbakọ na onye a dị iche and o nwere ọgụ anọbarudo na anaghị egbu mmadụ. Obodo ahụ ịnọcha ma Amerịka ahụ ịnọ ma obodo ahụ niile ọnụ ndị be anyị nọ kịta na-emewe ofụma, ije nene ma frag ha efu na ụfọdụ obuchara ede ọ mmadụ ka egburu bife wee nweta ya, ọ mmadụ ka egburu ewee nweta obodo ahụ ijere tata ụmụnne gị nọcha na-enwe aṅụrị, ọ mmadụ ka egburu, ọ mmadụ standịrị, ọ mmadụ kwechielu wee sị na ihe dị otu a kama onye ado na ọ mmadụ ka egburu wee megide ha wee zọta ya wee bụrụ ndị nwere onwe ha. Anyị nwe egbughị mmadụ wee nweta, gịnị na-emezi na be anyị? Naijiria egburo mmadụ wee nweta independent, gị na-eme ka ezi ihe na-eme na be anyị. Ahụ afọrọ mụ na gị na-abasa onye Igbo, inwe ego n'obodo okwu, inwe ha enwe okwu. So ahụ afọrọ mụ na gị asa onye Igbo, ọyị ya abụ ịnọrọ na-achịgharị na ọ bụrụ na nwanne anyị nwoke a nọ n'ime na emechara ihe niile ahụ emere na ndịda be anyị nye atọ ọnọta azụ wee je nara ihe, onye abụ na o megbuo na ndị be anyị and o mere ndị be anyị aja ihe. Mana onye a tinyere ibu o tiri ma ndụ ezinụlọ ya, nne ya na nne ya nwụrụ n'ije a, ya nwere onwe ya duredi ịnwụkwa n'ije a. Ọ bụ na ihe ahụ agbagharizi ya. Ayọ ka nna ayọ anyị nwabụ ndị Igbo ka anyị nwee retink, ka anyị chechigha echiche azụ, ka anyị were ire anyị gụọ eze anyị ọnụ na pụta dike ka e gbuo na ọgụ ụnọ, ọgụ ezi ruo achọba dike, ọgụ ezi ruo achọba dike. Onye ahụ ofu anya ndị Igbo ji afụ ụzọ. Ịlaiki ya ekweta, ịlaiki ọ ekweta, na mma afọ nsọ ka ikweta, mana ịnọrụ asụ onye mmadụ onye Igbo were echiche gị chechigho echiche azụ. Ịfụrụ ihe onyonyo nwanne anyị nwoke mere uwe Obi Kubana nwere mgbe o kwuru okwu wee kwuo na even mgbe o mere birthday na o jere zaa ajụjụ ka iwee fụ na at his own level nya ebe o rugoro na aka na-akpụ ya ajụ ya ajụjụ n'obodo a ka iwee maa na ịbụ onye enwe gịnị ka nwanne anyị nwoke na-azụ ọ bụ ka udodo ka onye ọbụla nwee equal right ka onye ọbụla mara ihe ruo ya nọ ka ndị ma ihe ka ndị amaghị ihe ghara ị na-achị ndị ma ihe ọ ihe na-eme n'obodo a ifirie na iji 1 naira na iji 2 naira na akpa gị ndị ọzọ ji enwụsị ya ọ dụrụ one ahụ onye a anaghị eche one ahụ onye a na-eche one ahụ onye ha kwụrụ kwụsie ike gụbụ onye Igbo ma Refuting ama m ihe nji wee na-ekwu okwu a ndụ nke be anyị sị na ha na-ekwu okwu a na-eji ije okwu a ha kwupụtawezie ka anyị mara ihe a na-ekwu because nọọ egwu ọ mmadụ nwe ọgọdọ ewu na-ata everyday ncheti ya ọ na-eri m nri n'ahụ ya bụ ihe na-ewute m nke ukwuu ọ na-ewute m nke ukwuu na nwanne anyị nwoke nọ n'ime ndebe anyị a na-akpakarị na-aga n'isi ego elu n'ihu akwụkwọ asịghị nke ọnwụ m nwa ya agwaghị n'ihe esi wee rie ego ọ bụrụ m nwa ya agwaghị mana asị ugboro ole ka ihe ya eme mmadụ wee mụrụ ihe ugboro ole ka ihe ya eme gị wee mụrụ ihe ndebe anyị chechi ya echiche azụ na ụzọ anyị na-aga ụzọ adịghị ya ndị na-azọ ọzọ Igbo ndụ enwere ọzọ Igbo ndụ n'ala Igbo onye nwe ọzọ Igbo ndụ nọ n'ime na onye abụọ ọzọ Igbo ndụ ndị ọzọ niile na-ata ndị ọzọ eni ọda ọzọ Igbo ndụ n'ala Igbo wụ counterfeit kanta ka ọwụ gịnị ka onye a mere wee zanwe ọzọ Igbo ndụ gịnị ka onye a menwuru ka ihe onye a menwuru wee ji aza ọzọ Igbo ndụ n'ala Igbo gị ka o menwuru asịghị gị ji eji etinye onwe gị mana o nwere ihe ị ga-emenwuru obodo ubi fe iweza ụdị afọ ahụ